Introducing the world's first interactive Islamic wall art, beautifully designed by Salah. This unique learning tool helps children discover the 99 names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through touch, sound, and meaning in a way that inspires remembrance, love, and connection to their Creator. Features include 99 touch-sensitive names. Simply touch any of Allah's name to hear its beautiful recitation, followed by the meaning in English.
Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Rahman comes from the word Rahmah, which means softness of the heart and mercy. Allah grants us blessings and protects us through His mercy.
The Memorize button repeats each name of Allah 3 times to support pronunciation and retention through repetition.
Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahim.
You can navigate through each feature remotely, perfect for using from your bed or any part of the room. Enjoy a selection of uplifting, audio-only nasheeds, specially chosen to enhance your child's spiritual learning experience.
Oh Allah, you're the most gracious. Oh Allah, we're the most gracious.
Bring the beauty of Allah's names into your child's daily life and into your home with this interactive wall art made to spark remembrance and deepen faith. Give them a gift that nurtures knowledge, love, and a lasting connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.